Amy here. Today I wanted to actually show you something really cool at the summer carnival, which you can do anytime you feel like going to the summer carnival and you want to get cotton candy. And that would be an awesome, cool thing to do if you want to make your cotton candy into your very own cotton candy phantom. Now, here's how to do it. First of all, you choose your cone. And of course that says on the rules, but just choose any that you want. I always go with the lightning, but some of you might go for something different, and that's absolutely fine. Now, the way to get the phantom candy is, first of all, choose black. If this will load, it's Animal Jam. You're being very laggy today. Now that it's loaded, get black all through the bottom. Trust me, this will look really cool once it's done, and I hope that you will agree with me. Now you choose white, or the creamy kind of color that it has on there. And you collect all that white, so it goes first of all black, second white, and then once you have done all the white, you do black again. So black, white, black. And once I'm done collecting the last black, you shall see how it turns out, if it will load. Now I just need to try and get it. Now it looks like it's just black, white, black, but then it turns into, wait for it, a phantom! So sometime when you just want to go to summer carnival, try that out. Black, but just remember, black, white, black. And I'm pretty sure that most of you, and almost all of you, know how to do summer carnival. But I'm just trying to come over here to do my favorite game. I was almost saying phantom game. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, and hopefully you're satisfied by it. Oh, killed one of those. See, look, the time's almost out. Oh, this is how laggy it is. Oh, I'll just exit, leave game. Yes, I'll leave. None of you are probably interested in that. Me just playing a game for ages. As you know, yesterday I did a real look. Still got that going. Though I may change it sometime. But probably not today, because today's all about the summer carnival. Whee! So, and remember how to make the phantom. Just whenever you're trying to remember, just go black, white, black. And it does not work when you go white, black, white. It doesn't work. It just ends out what it looks like. Let's see if there's any cool items that you can wear that are for non-members. There's some that I cannot afford. Oh, I so want that. It's rare. I'm gonna go. What you do is, if you've run out of, or you cannot afford something that you really want in here, in the summer carnival, a way to get tickets without playing games to earn them, is just click on that over here, the thing with the weights on it, and then you can collect it, and then you can collect 5,000 tickets. tickets. See how much tickets are over here. 2,000. 1,000. I think I'll buy this. Buy. And now I can just try to go over here and get the rear mask, which I can make a good look out of it, probably. So there, if it will load, is the rear feathered mask. And I will buy. Just need to get it. Now buy. It looks a bit odd on me, but I really do not care. Now I've got another rear item, and since I'm doing a rear look, here it is. That works perfectly, although it does not look good with the rest of my outfit. So I can just try to change that up a bit so that it does look extremely better. I'll just leave it like that. Just need to find a darker shade of blue. Yes, that almost matches. Oh, Animal Jam's done that again, where they put blue on an item, but it does not match the other blue. Annoying. Now, see on patterns what I could do with this. Oh, that looks cool. Now I have got the look, and it's still a real look. I haven't taken off any of my rare items. And I should probably go to my den again, I guess. That's kind of the only place that I can go other than the Summer Carnival for this, episode-y show thingy. Yeah, Animal Jam, you're being really laggy today. Yeah. Still got my Phantom Cotton Candy and my real look. So I think that's all the time I have for today. So yeah, as I said yesterday, Amy has to go.